Hey everybody, Mr. Schreiber here. And today what we're going to do is we're going to go over two-step equations. You should have this guided notes in front of you, and you're going to follow along with me. If you don't have a straight edge, that's perfectly fine. Let's make a straight line right through here. We're going to get started right away, and we're going to solve for x. We're going to solve for x to see what x is by getting rid of this 10 and getting rid of this 2. We want to know what x is. And if you guys remember from your hands-on equations, to get rid of this plus 10, that's what we're going to get rid of first, is we're going to take away 10. We take away 10 on this side, we're going to take away 10 on this side. So let's put minus 10 on both sides, put our line, and this goes away. And 6 minus 10 is going to be a negative 4. We still have this x over 2. And again, this is why it's a two-step. We just did one step right there. Now let's do our two-step. X divided by 2. How do you get rid of division? Always do the opposite. Let's multiply by 2. Always doing the opposite to get rid of. And x over 2, those cancel. And x equals negative 8. And circle. That's going to be our first problem. And then now we're going to check it. So again, if you ever need to pause this video at any time, because I'm going a little quick because I'm on a time frame on these videos, feel free to pause it and then you guys can catch up. So now we're going to check this. So what we're going to do for the check is we're going to use this exact same equation. I'm going to plug in the number negative 8. The only difference here is I'm going to plug in the value instead of x. Everything else is the exact same. So negative 8 divided by 2 is going to be a negative 4 plus 10 equals 6, and that equals 6 equals 6. Put a little check mark. That one is done. We know it's right because it's equal on both sides. Check out number 2. Number 2. Let's start by making our line. Let's put a line right here, and we're going to solve for v. We're going to solve for v, and you guys probably guessed it. We're going to get rid of this 3 right here. How do you get rid of a plus 3? The opposite of plus 3 is a minus 3. Let's put a minus 3 on both sides. Put a minus 3 on both sides. That's going to be 12 equals, that goes away, 6b. And you can probably guess we're going to divide both sides. Let me see you divide by 6. Don't just randomly put the answer. I want to see that divide by 6 every time, and 12 divided by 6 is equal to 2. We're going to circle, and then we're going to check this. We're going to make sure this one's right. You know the answer is 2. Again, if I'm moving a little quickly, just pause the video. You guys can catch up. Let's check this answer. And I'm going to take that 2 and I'm going to plug it in right here. Six times 2 is 12. 15 equals 15. Just a reminder on the test, this is 1 point. Plugging it in, getting this right here is 1 point. This blue part, the blue part is 1 point. The red part is 1 point. This is a total of, 5 points for this problem. And so we're going to watch our next video on the next two, and we'll go from there.